Good morning. Welcome to MMS Groundworks. This morning we're going to be starting our new project, and we're going to be installing a septic tank at an 8-bedroom chateau. As you can see, the tank on the back of the trailer, it's a 4,000 litre reinforced septic tank by Premier Tech. There's going to be 6 outlets from various locations of the chateau, and it's all going to run to where the tank's going to be located, which is roughly about here. From then on, it will be running on a natural fall to that location over there, which is going to be an eco flow. The eco flow will filter the water, and it's going to be then ejected into the river. So let's see how we get on today. Goodbye.